Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Stand facing slightly to the left with your left knee bent a bit to bring your left foot behind your right foot. Bend your elbows so that your right hand is in front of your face, your left arm is across your chest, and both palms are facing out. Hold this pose for 4 counts. Step further back on your left foot as you put your left hand on your hip and swing your right arm in a large clockwise circle. Then step back over to the left on your left foot as you bring the index finger of your right hand up to your lips. Move your right hand to the left, then back 3 times as you shake your hips in the same manner. Look to the left as you point to the left with your right hand, then point to the right with your right hand and look in the same direction. Now point to your head with your right hand as you tilt your head to the left. Spin your right hand outward, then extend your right arm straight out toward the camera as you bring your left foot back to meet your right foot so that you are turned to face the left. Put your right hand on your hip as you face the camera, bring the side of your left hand up to your forehead, and bend your knees deeply. Stand back up and look to the left, then look at the camera again. Bend your right knee and extend both arms straight out to either side, then bring your hands in to rest on your chest before tilting your head to the left, then right.
Hello, 窓を開けて小さくつぶやいた How are you? 誰もいない部屋で一人もうに朝が来た
Keeping your hands together, stretch your arms upward as you step over to the left on your left foot so that you are facing to the left. Bring your right hand down to your hip as you slide your right foot forward to kick out, then hop slightly so that your right foot comes down before your left foot as you point to the left with your left hand, keeping your elbow bent. Bring the side of your left hand up to your forehead, then hop backwards twice before turning to face the camera again. Point straight up with your right hand and straight down with your left hand, then switch their positions. Bring your hands up to either side of your head, then hop in place 3 times while turning to the right. When you are facing the camera again, bring your hands in front of your chest, then spin them outward once before extending both arms straight out toward the camera. Bring your hands back in to rest on your chest, then tilt your head to the right. Put your left hand on your hip and bring your right hand up near your right shoulder with your index finger extended. Step in place 4 times, starting on the right foot, as you twirl your right hand in 3 small counterclockwise circles, then clap on the last step.
部屋で一人もうに朝が来たよ土砂降りの朝がティックタック私のネジを誰か巻いて
Hop on your left foot as you bring your right knee up, swing your left arm forward, and your right arm back. Repeat this in the opposite direction, then do both of these steps once again, and end by bringing your left foot down and lowering your arms. Bring your fists up near your chest so that your elbows are pointing straight out to either side, then lean forward and to the right as you move your elbows down. Move your elbows back up as you stand up straight, then lean forward and to the left as you bring your hands together near the left side of your face before standing back up. Repeat the first 2 counts of the previous section, then bring your arms in front of your chest with your left arm above your right arm. Extend your index fingers and point up and to the left with your left hand and down and to the right with your right hand as you skip 4 steps around to the right, starting on the right foot. Repeat sections 1 and 2 of part 2, but only skip 3 times for section 2. Step over to the left on your left foot and put your left hand on your hip as you swing your right arm in a large clockwise circle to bring the index finger of your right hand up to your lips. Then repeat the rest of section 1 of part 1. Repeat the first 8 counts of section 2 of part 1, but bring your hands up in front of your face on the last count. Jump slightly to separate your feet and lean forward as you put your right hand on your hip and point at the camera with your left hand. Bring the index finger of your left hand up to your lips and tilt your head to the right, then back up. Stand up straight and point to your head with your left hand as you point straight over to the right with your right hand and look to the right. Switch the positions of your arms as you look to the left and bring your left foot over to meet your right foot. Then switch the positions of your arms again as you step back over to the left with your left foot and look at the camera. Bend your right elbow so that you are pointing to your head with both hands as you bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. While facing slightly to the left, swing your arms down behind your back as you hop forward on your left foot and bring your right foot off the ground. Swing your right foot forward, then swing it back and pivot to the right on your left foot before swinging your right foot out again. Bring your right foot down and your left foot up, then swing your left foot forward, then back, before pivoting to the left slightly on your right foot and bringing your left foot down over to the left. Move your arms out to either side with your elbows and wrists bent and your palms facing up. Step forward and to the left on your right foot, then cross your left foot over your right foot before stepping back on your right foot and bringing your left foot back and over to the left. Put your right hand on your hip and your left hand on your chest and repeat the previous foot movements in the opposite direction. Turn to the right and bring your right foot back to meet your left foot as you fold your right arm over your left arm. Step forward on your right, then left foot, then bring your right foot up to meet your left foot as you point up at an angle with your right hand, keeping your left hand under your right elbow. Step back on your right, then left foot, then bring your right foot back to meet your left foot as you swing your right arm in a clockwise circle to bring the index finger of your right hand up to your lips and turn to face the camera. With your right knee bent slightly to the left, cross your left wrist over your right wrist, then curl and uncurl your fingers 4 times. Bend your left knee slightly to the right and repeat the previous hand movements. Then do this move in the opposite direction once again. Straighten your legs and bring both hands up to your mouth. Keeping your elbows bent, twirl both hands outward once, then turn them so that your palms are facing up as you lean forward a bit.
つもりですかもっともっと待ててかかった言葉口をついたてたのは嘘こうして今日も
Step over to the left on your right foot so that your back is to the camera, then step out slightly on your left foot as you put your left hand behind your back and spin your right arm in a small, counterclockwise circle before pointing straight up. Put your right hand behind your back as well, then step over to the right on your right foot before bringing your left foot over to meet it. Step over to the left on your left foot, then bring your right foot over to meet it. Bend your elbows to bring your hands near your chest so that your right arm is above your left arm with your palm facing down and your thumb pointing down, while the palm of your left hand is facing up and your left thumb is pointing up. Take a step on your right, then left foot as you turn to the right to face the camera again, then plant your right foot out to the right and your left foot out to the left. Bring your right fist up near your left shoulder, then cross your left arm over your right arm. Swing your arms down and slightly out to either side as you bend your knees inward and look down.